Most of us who have been asking for the answer of the question, how can we be a true Apo? Regardless of your religion, regardless of what you believe in, regardless of your vocation, profession, standing in life, our vision to serve God, country, people, and nature encompasses everything about what a true person is to be.
Maraming salamat, dear founders, for coming up finally to the continuous evolution of Alpha Phi Omega.
Please welcome on center stage our beloved founders of Alpha Phi Omega United.
I am so proud even bringing my whole family here. Dahil bilang Apo United, pinagmamalaki ko sa aking pamilya na miyembro ko ng Apo United.
When you join Alpha Phi Omega, alisin nyo na yung nahati pang puso nyo. Ibigay nyo na ng buo ang puso nyo sa Alpha Phi Omega. Inisip natin to, marami nang naghahangad ng pagbabago. Ito na yon, ang Apo United.
Lagi nating sinasabi, madali namang maging apo, mahirap magpaka-apo. Pero mas maging mahirap ang maging totoong kapatid na apo.
It is not the number that matters. It is the size of our hearts to serve others and our loyalty to this newly formed organization.
Let me reiterate that Apo United is not designed to replace the mainstream Apo, but it will be an organization that will not only remain true to the three Apo cardinal principles of leadership, friendship, and service.
Doon sa naghahangad na magkaroon ng ganito, ito ang isang award na hindi ninyo pwedeng apurahin.
With you as members of this prestigious organization, I can say that we can do it.
They pass through the needle, the ayaw pa needle, to be alive today. Kasi you learn to struggle, you learn to survive, you learn to win. That's Apo.
I will contribute whatever I can within my capacity. Commit ourselves to Apo United cause.
For God, for our country, for our people, and for nature, and for Apo United. Cheers!